Hey there, welcome to Car Clinic. Today, we're talking about how to reset the tire pressure light on a Hyundai. If you've been frustrated with that light staying on, even after inflating your tires, this video is for you. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss valuable videos like this one. Let's dive in. Let's start by understanding why the tire pressure light might come on in the first place. Your Hyundai's tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS, is designed to keep you informed about your tire pressure. If the pressure in one or more tires drops below the recommended level, the light will turn on. This is most commonly caused by temperature changes, which can cause tire pressure to drop, or by a slow leak. Even after correcting the tire pressure, the light can sometimes stay on due to sensor calibration issues. Let's go over the best ways to reset it. Step 1. Check and correct tire pressure. The first thing you should do is check all 4 tires, and don't forget the spare if it has a sensor too. Use a tire pressure gauge to measure the pressure in each tire and compare it to the recommended level. You can find this information on a sticker inside the driver's door frame or in your owner's manual. Inflate the tires to the recommended PSI. If you've recently rotated your tires or installed new ones, this step is especially important as uneven pressure can confuse the sensors. After correcting the pressure, drive your car at a steady speed, around 50 miles per hour, for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps the TPMS sensors recalibrate automatically. In most cases, this simple step should clear the light. Step 2. Use the TPMS reset button. If driving doesn't reset the light, the next method is to use the TPMS reset button, which is available on many Hyundai models. First, turn the ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Then locate the reset button, which is typically under the dashboard near the steering wheel. Press and hold the button until the TPMS light blinks 3 times, then release it. Start the car and drive at a moderate speed for about 10 minutes. The system should now reset and turn off the light. Step 3. Perform a battery reset. If your Hyundai doesn't have a TPMS reset button, or if the button method doesn't work, try resetting the system by disconnecting the car battery. Start by turning off the ignition and opening the hood. Locate the negative terminal on the battery, which is usually marked with a minus sign or black cover. Use a wrench to disconnect the negative cable and leave it disconnected for at least 10 minutes. This will reset the car's electronic systems, including the TPMS. Reconnect the cable, start the car, and check if the light is off. Keep in mind that this method resets other settings in your car, like the clock or radio presets. Step 4. Use a TPMS relearn tool. If the light is still on, you might need to use a TPMS relearn tool, which is a handheld device that communicates directly with the sensors in your tires. These tools allow you to manually trigger and reprogram the sensors, ensuring they are communicating properly with the car's TPMS module. To use it, follow the instructions for your specific tool, which usually involves scanning each tire's sensor while the car is in learn mode. Many auto parts stores sell or rent these tools, and some tire shops will perform this service for you if you're not comfortable doing it yourself. Step 5. Inspect for sensor issues. If none of these methods work, it's time to consider that there might be an issue with one or more TPMS sensors. Each tire has its own sensor, and they can become damaged over time, especially during tire changes or rotations. A diagnostic scan at a professional repair shop can identify if a sensor is malfunctioning or needs replacement. Sensor batteries typically last 5 to 10 years, so an older vehicle might simply need new sensors. Step 6. Update or reset the TPMS module. Finally, in rare cases, the issue could be with the TPMS module itself rather than the individual sensors. The module may need to be updated or reset by a Hyundai dealership or a qualified mechanic. This is less common but worth considering if all other options fail. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.